guys, as you can see that I've already downloaded and installed Notepad++. So I'm gonna write my first code here. So I'm gonna write the first of all the syntax here. So if you've already did any programming language, then you'll be familiar with the thing that everything has a syntax and you have to follow the syntax first of all, and then you have to write the code in that. So I'm gonna write the syntax of the HTML line first of all, then I'll let you know that what line is doing what sense of code. So if you're writing an HTML website, then you have to tell the browser that it's a HTML website. So you have to write the tag HTML with the opening and closing of greater than and smaller than signs. Then you have to close this tag of HTML by putting this greater than sign and then this slash, then the HTML tag name. So this tag has been closed now. How you can show yourself that this tag is actually working? If you will hover your mouse cursor at this tag, then you can see this purple highlighting in the background. Then you can show yourself that this tag is working. So what if this tag doesn't work and this tag is doesn't have sense of code? Then remove this tag, remove this backslash, and you'll see that there's no highlighting of the purple light at the HTML tag. So this tag is not working now. So if you will write this slash, then you can say that this tag is actually working. So after writing this HTML opening and closing tag, you have to write the head section, and then you have to close this head section too, and in between the head section you have to write the title. I'll let you know that what this line of code does in the web browser: the opening of title and the closing of title. And after head you have to write the body. You have to close the body here. We'll write the footer tag at the end, so don't worry about that. So in this tag of title, we can write the title name of a website. That should be my first HTML website. I'm gonna save this document, then I'll open it into the browser. Okay, so I'm gonna save it with anything like you can say my website there as I've already typed, and at the end of the name of your site you have to write this .html, as you're making an HTML website. So you have to tell the browser that it's a HTML site, and you have to read this file as HTML tags. So all the websites that you're making in HTML should be encrypted with .html. So I'm gonna save it, and I'm gonna open it into the browser. So here it is. Yeah, so as you're seeing, I don't think so that you can see the my first HTML website um, on the title of this web page, as you're restricted to see some screen of my laptop. But if you're coding like seeing this video, then you'll see that at the upper level of your web page, you'll see this written my first HTML website, uh, as we've written here. So in the next tutorial we'll be coding in the body section, and thanks for watching.